Assalamu alaikum, class 4, day 14. Open your English B notebook. Write date, CW and day. Lesson number 2, topic adjectives. Define adjective. What is adjective? An adjective. Words which tell us more about nouns are called adjectives. For example, tall building, dirty street, angry man, happy boy. Now look, building, tall building. Tall is the adjective. Adjectives are good, describe the good or bad quality of anything, of person, place or things. Look, building, the quality of building is it is tall. So the next word example is dirty street. So this is the bad quality, but it is an adjective. It describes more about noun, any person, place, thing. Okay, angry man. So angry is adjective and boy, but the quality of boy is he is happy. Note down this definition in your English B notebook. In English B notebook and learn the definition. In the next video we do grammar book work on book.